So if you remember a little while back, I made a video about having to put both my chairs into my car at once and how it was hell on earth. Well, you know, I had to fit both my wheelchair, my regular one, and my basketball wheelchair in my G37. That shit was ridiculous. I've done it twice today. Said fuck it. Called Dakota, and me and him are gonna look into building some sort of rack for the back of my car so I can fucking put that on the back there. I'll show you guys how we do that. Keep y'all posted. Well, now here we go. Fast forward about a month later, maybe a little bit less than, and we're at the shop. We're here with Coda, and we're gonna try to snap our. We're gonna try to put on a little. What is that right there? Bike rack. A little bike rack over there. We're gonna try to put the bike rack on, but first we gotta put. I guess we're putting on a whole. We're putting a whole trailer hitch on this bad boy. So we'll see how this goes down. So he's cut the two long arms off the trailer hitch and put one of the brackets right there. So he's got the ability to weld it onto there because you can't weld onto the aluminum bumper. So now we've got it all set up. He's gonna weld it onto there, and the trailer hitch is gonna be on the back of the bumper. That will be where the license plate goes. Oh, yeah, that's the sickest she gets. I can't believe how well that fit. Yeah, let's go. Once we've got the bike rack on there, we just chuck the old wheelchair on. This is my basketball wheelchair. It's the reason why we're doing this, so I can fit both my chairs in. Tighten up that sucker there, and Bob's your uncle. We just put this here so it didn't bounce around too much, but otherwise, I mean, we're pretty much done here, folks.